Remember telling us something, guys. Part one of the story. It no matter who. It could have been your mother, your sister, your brother, your man, your friend. Don't trust nobody. Even if them show you love and respect, don't trust them. Because I'm going to tell you something. You see your friend and your family, the people that are around you, them will fuck up you more than the people that don't know you. And that is the thing when you don't understand. You see that picture here? I go on gay party. I think this was 2019. 2018, I go on gay party. I have one friend named Bobby. And Bobby have one friend, one other friend named Sandy, which is my brother named cousin, right? Me and our friend, me and she grow a long time. Me know she before Bobby, long time. When we go to the party at Africa, O'Neill Space, one guy named Real Rich keep the party. You know, say the guy with me and the gay guy, you know, the boy are gay, you know, and the boy come from Captureland and I come from Tyson. But Tyson and Captureland is the same community, right? We know each other, we talk and everything, and we are friends and everything. I go to the party. I think was I think was February the 14th, 2018. I go to the gay party. I know say the guy take 3 seconds video. I never see him because I see me now look to the way when take the when take the video. You got to me I say me I look other way. I'm a dress like girl. Nobody knows I'm dress like girl. No, I just take my things from Spanish town, go a town, I'm a dress like girl. I'm a go to party. The boy video it 3 second video. And screenshot the picture. And I call my friend, which is a fear friend, which is a fit him friend, which is my brother named Koso. With him and my friend, I call her and I say, tell Bobby if you delete the picture. I think Bobby want man to kill me. I see him, so I say no. And she said she tell Bobby if you delete the picture. When we just Spanish told me they are tie spin in my community, I hear that my brother named Koso. My brother named Koso, which is my friend, which is a Bobby friend. A Bobby friend, me and our friend, which is Sandy. Right? Fear brother say, cause I lucky was my Jamaican name, L-U-C-K-Y. Me see you dress up a Batman party. Me start fretting now. Me I say, Father God, where me go do? Me I say, where you see it? I say, you not tell me when you see it. So me go to Sandy. I say, Sandy, a Bobby show him. Sandy said to me, say, no, it's not Bobby show him. I say, well, if it's not Bobby show him, you show him. Me still not pay no man. When me see 2 other girls come back, me see a Batman party. People. So me hear the girl sister. In the night, me pack a bag. And me throw 2 little clothes in the knapsack bag. And me put my document in the bag, my ID, everything in the bag. And me leave the community. Because me say, if my brother hear that, or nobody hear that, me know them can kill me, my love. See the picture there? You see when me leave, me go Duncan spend. Duncan spend, no they far from Thai spend. But you may say my auntie live over there, so maybe can hide out over there. So but my auntie never did it, so and my auntie daughter did it. They are Duncan spend, but 2 days, 3 days, 4 days. Me still not hear nothing where I go on. So I say maybe it not spread around the community, right? Because I only told somebody they know about it different from Sandy. People, me, your friend. People, when my cousin come out for go, our friend, mother funeral, me, I go behind my cousin, you know. And one man say, turn back in the house. Me no go fin in the house, you know. But me do me turn back in the house. And when me turn back in the house, me get one picture on my phone say, yes. Yes, it gone out. I know my auntie never know. So me just like girl now, my auntie a foreign send me the picture on my phone, you know, because my cousin never did it, you know. And me I tell you say people, when you check come on me phone, me I tell you say me literally drop on the ground, me literally a ball when me look my love. Man tell me say me have to lift up and lift. Remember, you know, and a tie spin that me move out a tie spin long time. I run up and tie spin and I don't can spin no. Man tell me say me go kill because me have to lift. Me have to lift up. Me hear that for me is a man tell me say me go kill me, my love. And me have to lift. Me not have nowhere to go. But in the house, in our whole part of the house, but then our all part of the house, but there, asleep, my love. Me in the house 1 week, when you look, you can't hear the sound of the man, them a walk up in the yard like me, them a look for, because my cousin tell them say me gone, you know, but me never gone, because me not have nowhere to go. And I tell you, me at the house, I tell you, me nervous, in the whole part of the house. Sometimes I tell you, you can't come out. Me nervous. Me don't know where to do, me don't know if it turn, me don't know if it go, me nervous. Me say, people, me nervous. Me come out, me go dead, my love. I have one gay program at Ochi. And the man who own the program, I immediate to come here, look for help. I text all the people said they no place can make me stay. Everybody are saying they don't have no place and they know nobody where me can stay with. So when me text the man now, when me get to the man now, I text the man now, I tell the man say my life in a danger, I have to leave them on me. I have to leave them. I tell say people, me attack right now, my body and my body cold, my body come my body. Me say people, in the 3 o'clock a morning, me have to pack my bag. I watch the house, then at 3 o'clock a morning, I have to pack my bag and walk through the bush. Run a dunk and spend walk through Scarlet Road. You see me go through the bush, the long bush, you know, where Pierre Mackin have to walk through the bush and go over one yard. Where Pierre dog run me down. I tell you, me run with the bag. So I lick up back the palm back, you know. And I end up going to a Spanish Town hospital. And I take one bus from this so and I have to end up go Ochi. When we go Ochi, I reach at Ochi about 5 something. When we reach at Ochi, as me have to end up take some of our Ochigo senans and me have to go down to the lady who me have to stay with because I want the house. So me have to go to she and then she bring me up at the house so me have to stay the man and me I say, come on, come to think of it. The person who sell me story, the person who put on, that's why I can't do it. That's why I tell you something, guys. I can never ever sell a straight man story. And you hear people on live talk about this and talk about that. I never did that. I never exposed a man yet. Me not do that. Every live I'm go up tell him say listen, Mr. Trans woman, because end of the day, my love, me know me go through. And people, alright, me go through it, people expose me. Me could have grown up to come expose back people. Me not do it. I don't do it because me I say, come on. Me know when me go through. Me know when them did expose me and me got through my love. Remember, I know them only expose me, you know. Dressing like a girl like a gay party, you know. I mean, know when I got through my love, so I can't do it to somebody else and me have my brother them. But as how them abuse me, I have them as still my family them. I don't want here say, okay then, somebody got expose them and somebody got kill them and murder them and do certain things to them. No, I am not doing that shit. I don't give a fuck. I don't care. Me not do it. That is just me. Me not care. But we call them on the live and if they want to talk on the live, no problem. But me not show them picture. Me not expose them. Me not do that. And that's the thing. I always tell them, listen, me is a trans woman. Me is a man. Me not afraid to talk. Yes, some LGBT people say, Destiny, you're very discriminate. They tell me say me I discriminate them community. They tell me say me can't do that. But listen, I'm living my truthful life. I don't care. I'm a trans woman, but yes, still I born as a man. So me not go hide my gender. Me I go tell them who I am. Me I go tell them who I am. That's not bringing up. Me not bring on the LGBT. But tell somebody your truthful life. But tell a person that you are that and you're born with a dick. Like I'm a trans woman. I born with a dick. I'm not afraid to tell people say I'm a man. Like some people on Destiny can't tell people. I don't care. As you see, we go par life. I'm gonna tell them that for sure. Say me not care at all. For me, love me. Me love me. For me, love me. I'm comfortable with myself. Me don't need nobody to love me. But me I show you that our friend is evil and wicked. That me I show our friend is evil and wicked. Me I tell you say evil and wicked. And God help me. God help me. That's me. Evil leave Jamaica before the person. You get to me I say, God help me. That's evil me. Leave Jamaica and seek asylum and get my permit. And the person in America. And the person suffer America. Because I'm going to tell you something, darling. Master God a God. Same God a man. Same God a evil. You hear? I say same God a man. Same God a evil. I receive my asylum. And that's so no more day time. And the person in America. Batter. 2 years. Batter. Not even asylum much as a status. Him no get. That will show you how God is good. But me I show you say don't trust nobody. Don't trust nobody. When you look, them send all the picture. Go get all the man them. The girl send all the picture, go get all the man them. Send all the picture, go get the man them in the community. Yeah? Send the picture, go get all man. Set me up. Big time. Dirty boy, take my picture in a party and put it out. And I say, yeah, but man, look what you do. Yeah, that's what I'm sure you say. You have to be careful, our friend. Part 2 coming out soon.